Axel's garage today. Cabin air filter on this. What year is this?
2021.
It's a Toyota Tacoma?
4Runner.
4Runner. 4Runner. It's a 4Runner. It's a 21. This is Amanda's car, so I have no idea what's going to happen when we open the door. But cabin air filter, the conversation just happened to come up in our household. And I asked Amanda, when was the last time it was changed? And I got a answer from Amanda and her husband. Both were just like, cabin air for what? So we don't know what we're going to find. She's owned it since new. It has about how many miles on it?
Almost 60,000.
Almost 60,000 miles. And it's just you're about 3 years, right? So 3 years,
60,000 miles.
Makes a replacement. You can go to the dealer, you can go to the Amazons and get a Fujigawa, real cheapo one. You go to the dealer and get a Toyota one. I went to the Amazons, and I'll link it in the description below, and I got a Fram, because they have a fragrance-free, right, no fragrance, with activated carbon in the filter, which filters don't always have activated carbon, and it's got Arm & Hammer baking soda to absorb the odors. Freshen, yes, freshen and absorb the odors. And it was only 15 bucks. So this is the one we got, and we're gonna put it in. Come on. Not too bad in here. I gotta say, I was expecting a pile of garbage. The air's on because she came here, and of course she leaves the car running in front of the house.
I have groceries in the back seat.
Oh, yeah, okay. So this car does have some excessive idle time. All right. So now we're gonna go in the glove compartment, and there's a lot of shit in here. Maybe you should go.
Also an organizer.
Maybe you should go in the back seat.
Gotta move my clothes.
What is this?
What? It's the other.
Oh my God! You have
thing.
multiple shifters in here. Another shift handle? Jesus.
No, that's the four-wheel drive handle.
All right. Well, most people aren't going to have this.
I have an organizer
in their glove compartment.
You just unorganized.
Yeah, I unorganized your organizer. All right. So in the glove compartment, this is a typical female car.
It was all organized.
All right. What is this? Midol. Great. All right. So in her unorganized, organized glove compartment is a door. Can you see that? So in the glove compartment here is a door, and it's got little plastic push tabs. So you push it down, and then you pull it out, and it's got 3 little dickies that go into a slot on the bottom. And that door is just the outer door. Then you have an inner door, and there's a tab on this side here, tab on this side here, and you just pull that, and oh my Lord. All right, and then this one comes off as well, and there is the cabin air filter, and look at all this shit.
Shut off
you gotta shut this car off.
I live in the oak trees.
Okay, so.
You have to put a disclaimer of where I live.
All right, there are a lot of trees where Amanda lives. All right, carefully we pull this out. Do you see this on the screen there?
Yes.
Holy shit. Was anything even blown out of your air conditioning vents? My Lord. So now, if you do notice on this, there is an arrow that says up, and this is only on the factory filter. And what they want you to do is they want you to put this in with the arrow up going up, right? But all the aftermarket filters have arrows on them as well. No matter what brand you buy, I've never seen one that marks it the way Toyota marks it. They all mark it direction of airflow. All right, so here's the Fram one. All right, it is got a gray color because of the charcoal. Okay, it's got a foam on one side and a foam on the other side, but on this foam, can you see that there?
Come a little closer. Yeah.
Okay, it's got arrow. Now that arrow is got a word next to it. Let me go with the light maybe. Can you see it now? All right, that says airflow. So now with this one, the arrows are going to be pointing down because these arrows are indicating airflow, and the air in these is flowing down this way, as you can tell by the top of that filter having all the debris. So now all you're going to do is slide this in, okay? Airflow flowing down. Then you're going to take your top piece here, and this has got a little up on it also, so that you don't put it in backwards. And that just snaps in both sides. And then you got this piece. Here's your 3 tabs on the bottom. They go into their slots, and then they just snap in, and you're done. And then the mess has to be put back in, and you have now a clean air. You're gonna have so much better airflow, guaranteed.
But now I have to fix my glove box.
Yep. So we're gonna take her glove box organizer, and did you even know half the stuff is in here?
Yes, I did.
Okay, and now Amanda can fix our glove box. So that's it today. That's quick, right? That's like a 2-minute change if you're not making a video, and even making a video, it was a 6 or 8 minute change, right? Real easy. Cabin air filter, 15 bucks. It's so easy in this car. You should do it at least once a year, I would guess, if not every oil change, because it's too easy here. This is one of the easiest ones I've ever done. You're gonna get a monster airflow. Comments down below, and always, thanks for watching.